Find the Laplace transform of the given function. In part A, we have this function. So let me rewrite in this way. This is same as 2 times unit step function at 2. So we can write u t minus 2 plus 3. Let me write unit step function here first. U t minus 5 times the function is also t minus 5 minus 7. Let me write the unit step function first. T minus 3, u t minus 3, t minus 3 to the 4th. And we know that uct, which is same as ut minus c, the Laplace of ut minus c is given by e to the negative cs over s. But when we have a product of unit step function, this is ut minus c times ft minus c, then the Laplace is given by e to the negative cs times Laplace of little f t, which is uppercase fs. Okay, we ignore negative c part when we find the Laplace transform here. So this is the given function. Then the Laplace transform is fs is given by two constants survives there, ut minus c, the first one. So it is e to the negative 2s over s, or we can write times 1 over s, same thing, plus 3 survives. This one matches with the second part. We have unit step function at 5, so e to the negative 5s. And since the function is ft minus c in that form, the function is in fact t, just t. And when we find the Laplace of, in this case, t, and Laplace of t is 1 over s square. Okay, fs means Laplace of little f. So we ignore minus c when we find the Laplace. And that's how it works from the formula. Minus 7 times, again, second formula, and the unit step function at 3, so e to the negative 3s times, now we ignore this part, it's like t to the 4th, and find the Laplace of t to the 4th. And looking at the table, t to the 4th is 4 factorial, 4 times 3 times 2, 24, over s5. Okay, this is final. Now let's move to the second question. Let me rewrite again. The unit step function is u at 2 t minus 2, and this is t minus 1. So we need to rewrite t minus 1 in the form of t minus 2 so that we can use this second formula. So t minus 1 is same as t minus 2 needed, and to manage negative 1, this is negative 2 plus 1. Okay, so we can rewrite in this way, minus 2, the unit step function is ut minus 1. So we need to do the same thing. We need to write t minus 2 in terms of t minus 1. So t minus 2 is same as t minus 1, just to match with this unit step function, and to get negative 2 minus 1 minus 1. Okay, now t minus 2, we can put another set of parentheses, same thing here. Let's distribute this unit step function from outside. So this is u t minus 2 times t minus 2, okay, plus u t minus 2 times 1, so u t minus 2, minus, same thing here, distribute 2 u t minus 1 times t minus 1, minus, and minus, so it becomes plus 2 u t minus 1. Okay, so now let's find the Laplace using the second formula, and first for the single unit step functions, then f is given by, so looking at the using the second formula here, the second Okay, I've been saying second, this is first. So u t minus c, so it gives e to the negative cs, and now we ignore this negative 2 and we find the Laplace of t, which is 1 over s squared. That's the fs, means Laplace of this function, which is t, plus u t minus c, that's like number 1, just the unit step function at 2, so that's e to the negative 2s times 1 over s. I mean, pretty much there is nothing means 1, and we are writing 1 over s, which is same as e to the negative cs over s. Okay, minus, let's do the same thing, 2 survives there, u t minus 1, using the second formula, e to the negative 1s, and just the t, and Laplace of t is 1 over s squared, plus 2 survives there, u to the t minus c, using the first, e to the negative cs over s, which is 1 over s, and this is at final. Okay, let's move to the third part. We have a piecewise defined function which can be written as 1, the first piece, plus second minus first times the switch at 2, the unit step function at 2, so u t minus 2, plus third minus second, which is negative t, and switch at 5, because these two functions differ at 5, u t minus 5. So let me rewrite in nicer form. So 1, and we write down the unit step function first, u t minus 2. Now we need to rewrite t minus 1 in terms of t minus 2, like the part B. So t minus 1 is same as t minus 2 plus 1. Okay, and plus minus, this is minus u t minus 5, unit step function first, then we have t, just t, but we have to have t minus 5, so minus 5 plus 5 cancel, and basically we have t back, and let's put parentheses around. Now we need to distribute, so we are rewriting the given function, so we have 2 terms inside, and distributing this unit step function, we get u t minus 2 times t minus 2 plus 1 times u t minus 2, just u t minus 2, minus distribute u t minus 5 t minus 5 plus, not plus, this is minus, so minus plus minus 5 u t minus 5. Okay, now using the formula, then the Laplace transform is, by the way, looking at the table, Laplace of 1 is 1 over s, plus, this is using the second, like we've done earlier, e to the negative 2s, Laplace of t, which is 1 over s squared, plus using the first, e to the negative 2s times 1 over s, or all over s, same thing, minus using the second, e to the negative 5s, Laplace of t, 1 over s squared, minus 5 times using the first, Laplace of ut minus 5 is just e to the negative 5s over s. Final. We might be able to combine couple of terms, but that is not the purpose. Final.